So I'm here at Matsuura in Coalville. Now I'm looking at this Muratec MW40 machine. I want to explore what it does and how it works, because it's quite different to a lot of the technology that we often look at. Now what you'll see here is you've got two spindles which are being fed by a gantry system by two independent loaders and unloaders on here. Now the idea behind this machine is to double output. They're doing on this particular project the same operation on both spindles. So essentially, whereas you might have a cycle time of one part of 30 seconds, you now, because you're doing two, you're getting the component, or one component, every 15 seconds. How does it work? Well, the spindles on these, the X and the Z actually move. The turret is fixed. But by having the spindles in these configurations means you don't have that transfer issue where, as you would do in, let's say, a traditional horizontal lathe where you've got the opposing spindles. It's quite a fascinating solution, and the idea behind it really is about speed, but not just speed, it's also speed in a compact footprint. There are various configurations to this machine that you could have. For example, you could have a Y-axis as well, you could have a tailstock on this machine. So it depends on what the application is, and I think that's what Matsuura specialise on here. This is actually a solution that's sold into a customer as well. It's about Matsuura taking a component, engineering it to be the most cost-effective method of manufacture. And would you believe that Muratec as a company, there's more Muratec machines machining within the automotive industry than any other brand of machine. So if you're interested in this type of technology, you can contact Matsuura via their website, matsuura.co.uk.